Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is inflation. Inflation is a sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. The reason for price rise can be classified under two main heads. They are increase in demand and reduced supply. Now let us see the difference between headline and core inflation. Headline inflation is the measure of total inflation within an economy. It includes price rise in food, fuel and all other commodities. Whereas core inflation is headline inflation minus food and fuel. Now let us see the factors responsible for inflation. They are demand pull and cost push factors. The demand pull factors are rise in population, black money, rise in income and excessive government expenditure. The cost push factors are infrastructure bottlenecks which lead to rise in production and distribution costs, rise in minimum support price, rise in international prices, hoarding and black marketing and rise in indirect taxes. Now let us discuss about Wholesale Price Index. It is published by Office of Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The base year has been shifted from 2004-5 to 2011-12. Next is Consumer Price Index. It measures price changes from the perspective of retail buyer. There are four types of CPI. They are CPI for industrial workers, next agricultural laborers, next rural laborers and CPI for rural, urban and combined. The first three are compiled by Labour Bureau, Ministry of Labour and Employment, and the fourth is compiled by NSO, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The base year for CPI is 2012. Now let us see the differences between CPI and WPI. WPI tracks inflation at the producer level, whereas CPI captures change in price levels at consumer level. WPI does not capture changes in the prices of services, whereas CPI does. In April 2014, the RBI had adopted CPI as its key measure of inflation. Now let us see a question based on this. Which of the following statements are correct about CPI rural, CPI urban and CPI combined index? Statement number 1. Inflation data is published by NSO. This statement is true because CSO and NSSO are combined to form NSO, National Statistical Office. Statement number 2. The base year is 2011-12. This is also true. Statement number 3. It is released for all India and for states and union territories separately on monthly basis. This is also true. So the answer is D, all of the above. Thank you.